All right, today is a super big day for us. We are officially going to be homeless for the next 12 hours.
Oh man, we're dropping our RV off at Camping World to get some work done. So for the next 12 hours, it's freezing out and we have nowhere to go. So let's see what happens.
Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? All right, guys, we're here, Camping World. Anybody excited? Yeah. So we got to get a little work done on the RV today. I'll tell you what it is as soon as we pull in here to the service center and get ourselves situated. All right, so there's a reason why we're at Camping World here. We are going to drop off the camper to get a new toilet. This toilet is 7 years old and there's a flapper down in there that's broken and our toilet's not working very good. So we're gonna drop it off, pick it up in a few hours and have it all done. We're gonna get some other service work done, see if we can get an oil change and maybe a radiator flush. So let's see what happens.
All right, so now that we're here at Camping World, hey, we might as well go look at some RVs and see what other options are. But don't let her hear because I don't want her feelings to get hurt, okay?
All right, what are you grabbing here if you're gonna be homeless for the day?
All right, so we need food, drinks, jackets, sneakers, I don't know.
We got all of our camera gear, we got Wi-Fi. We're going to be digital nomads now, I guess. There's the awning that we need to get fixed right there, so we're gonna get an estimate on that as well.
There's our home. It's leaving us for the day. And I don't know what the hell we're gonna do, but it's really cold, so we gotta get inside.
All right, so we just dropped off the RV. We love our RV, but lately I've had the bug to get something new, try something new. And as you can see right here, the 2 windows, that means this is a bunkhouse. So it comes with the bunk beds built into it, 40-footer. Let's go check one of these out. This is somebody's personal one, so we can't check that out. But there's a whole bunch of them over there. Let's go check them out.
We are so excited that today's video is brought to you by Camping World right behind me. We just dropped the RV off to get some work done at the service center. I'm so glad that they get to do it and we don't have to. The cool thing about Camping World is they have 185 locations nationwide. They have the most extensive service network in the country with over 1,500 RV technicians. They have been the #1 RV service provider since 1966. So no matter where you travel, you know you're gonna get a consistent level of great service. Now today we're just getting our toilet replaced, but they also handle renovations where they specialize in flooring, cabinet upgrades, lighting, HVAC upgrades, and so much more. They also handle collision repairs where no matter what happens to your RV, they can fix that too. Their specialists can also help you with RV battery upgrades, leveling systems, RV electronic upgrades, and solar. All right, we gotta come back in a few hours to pick her up, and I can't wait to see how pretty she looks.
Thank you. My first experience at Camping World. It was amazing. I had the best service ever. It's my first RV. Yay!
Love it.
A Vegas Thor 2015.
Whoa, is the sun blinding you? All right, we're going to look at some rigs.
What are we looking at?
And I think the kids are gonna be surprised at the one we are gonna check out.
Are you cold? Is it freezing out? All right, so we're going to look at a 41-foot Salem right now with a loft and top, so we should see what that looks like. Should be kind of cool.
Whoa, God.
I'm sleeping up here.
Wait for me, guys. What do you see?
This is crazy.
Oh, I'm sleeping up here.
What do you see up here?
Can you guys sit up?
Oh my gosh, what the heck is this? There's a loft
We'll
up here?
just fill in this space and all 3 of you crash up here.
What do you think, Nix?
Oh, this guy's dog
Like
bed.
it? Oh, look at that.
This little spot is mine. You even have windows?
Nothing.
All right, well this, if I was a kid, I would die for, and I think this is really interesting for our kids because they love the whole fort feel, so. All right, so here is the master. It's pretty spacious, lots of drawer space. Oh my God, this is something we just do not have right now. What's
All right, let's
this?
check out the next one.
Well, no, just like, it feels like not chintzy,
Sure.
but compared to like a Class A where it's like completely solid, they have a different feel to them. All right, so like we've always said, the fifth wheels give you something that Class A never can, is a ton of room and space for the kids as well, and a real family area. So that's what I love, love, love. But let's go check out the Class A's.
The thing that I love about the Class A's is while you're driving, it's also an experience while you're driving. So that's really important to us. All right, Ryan, where are we going next?
Class A.
Class A? Do you like Class A or fifth wheel? You like fifth wheel better? right, so here's a 36-footer bunkhouse, $170,000, which isn't bad for a new bunkhouse. Pretty good. I love the front end. Look how cool that looks.
This is right where I would sleep.
It's just 2 chairs. It's like, ugh.
I think that's where my Miramar is going to be nicer, because my Miramar does a couch, a dinette, and recliner.
Who's there?
All right, so I really like this one, but the thing with a family of 5 is you need seating space to hang out, and 2 recliners just doesn't work. So, but it is a very beautiful RV.
All right, here's a 37-foot Miramar that we're gonna look at with bunkhouses going for about $170,000. Let's go check it out.
Let's see what we have for seating.
All right, so how will the bunk situation work out here?
All right, so who would want what bunk?
I'm taking the top. Also,
It shows where Nixon would be sleeping. 2 kids over there, and Nixon wants to go up
Oh
there.
yeah, that does have it.
That
Oh
looks
my
like- shows
god, I
how
can't
it's
even imagine what it would be like to have my own. I think the kids are like, no, you don't get your own bedroom. I'm like, are you out of your mind?
hang off.
We have sacrificed for 7 years because we have all cabinets all
Nothing's
across.
broken.
Yeah.
It's broken.
Yeah.
All right, so we're wrapping up out of this one. Once again, you know, you come in the gas ones and there's not that big of a difference between the brand new ones and the one that we have. Not enough to upgrade and start all over with the RV. So if we do upgrade and start over, it's really gotta be worth it. And that's why I'm leaning toward a used diesel pusher with about 5 more feet of space and 4 slide outs, because we only have 1 slide out. So what do you like about selling RVs?
So the greatest thing is helping families out. I honestly believe that. So when people come in, they ask me questions, I gotta find the right rig for them. So you create a lifetime customer and a family that can make memories and enjoy and have a good time camping.
Oh man, that sounds like we wrote that ourselves. That's something I would say. That was good,
I
bro.
believe it. That's why I like my job.
Oh, yeah.
Do you find that there's a ton more families looking at RVs and they realize, like, you know what, we want to start doing this and
Yeah.
creating memories?
And all the time, they especially when it's their first time, they have no clue what they want,
Yeah.
right? So it's so important to kind of find out what that person needs and find out a little bit about them, how they're using it, to find out what rig's gonna really help them out.
because there are so many
all of
different
that.
styles.
That's the big thing.
That like
That's the
for
big
us,
thing.
we need that couch space. Maybe for other people, the couch
Yeah.
space doesn't matter. You
We
know?
saw 3 today, and they're all totally different.
Yeah.
You know, so it's finding the right one for
Yeah,
them.
I love it. I love
creating
it. Well,
memories
thank
for
you
that.
so much for
You're very
all
welcome.
today.
You're very
Appreciate
welcome.
it.
Nice meeting you guys.
You too.
All right, so not having our house with us means we gotta stop somewhere and eat. Guys, where are we at? All right, guys, what are we gonna do for the rest of the day?
I have a party to go to. We're gonna go hiking and see a waterfall.
So you might be wondering where Sandy's at while we're in here eating lunch. I'm gonna show you right now. She's out of the car and she's in a meeting right now with a world schooling event that we're going to in March. And you guys gotta stay tuned for that because it's really cool. We're gonna sneak in the car right now and see if we can get a shot of her on the phone here, or on the computer.
And you're like, and he was like so mad at me. He's like, "Are you sure? See, did we just throw away money?" I'm like, "No." And then this father of, I don't know, I think he was the location organizer or something. He kept us all wondering.
Oh, I was like, ah! What happened? What happened?
I scared you.
She got me, man. I was gonna say I always like to scare. I always like to embarrass Sandy, and Nixon always likes to scare me.
Wait, I want to play that back and watch it.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. See you soon.
Damn, that was fast. What's going on?
All right. The toilet is done. The RV is ready. Our home is ready to be picked up. Woo!
All right, so we had a whole day's worth of activities planned. We were gonna run out and do about 50 things today. We thought we were gonna be homeless all day, but the service center turned this thing around quick. We were only able to go eat lunch, and now we gotta come over here and pick up the RV, so.
Yeah,
I guess that's a good thing, right? That's pretty good.
I
There
see
she is. You see her in all her glory?
I love her. All right, she's here. I cannot wait. That toilet needed to be replaced, and I was so annoyed with it. So let's see what it looks like. All right, let's go check out the toilet. All right, this was
man,
long overdue.
Let me sweep by her.
Come on. All right,
All
there
right, show me what you
it
got.
is.
How's it
Turn some
looking?
lights on. Oh,
there's a flush. There's a flush.
Well, yeah,
Oh
it
my
flushes.
gosh, it's brand new.
And you know what? I noticed it's the slow closing toilet seat, which I love because I haven't been able to find one of those when I replaced the toilet seat on the old toilet. So thank you, Camping World. I appreciate it because my kids always make that thing slam down and it's so annoying. All right, well, overall, this was an absolutely amazing experience because we thought we were gonna be homeless for like 12 hours or who knows however long it's gonna take. But in 3 hours, we got the call, RV is done. So now we're back on the road. Let's go.
All right. And just like that, we got a home again. We're no longer homeless.
I don't want to be homeless. It's too cold out here.
What do you think about that sport coach
Yeah,
right
this
there?
one right here, this looks really nice.
Leave us a comment below if you like old blue or if we should get something beautiful and new. If we should try something new. What do you think? Should that be her name, Old Blue?
Old Blue? No. No girl wants to be called old, okay? No.
Leave us a comment down below. What should we name our RV? 7 years later, we still don't have a name for her yet.
Oh, poor girl.
All right, and just like that, away we go. Thank you, Camping World. But the journey's not over yet. We got a couple more things we got to do in this adventure, so stay tuned. What's up, Sky?
Okay, so we're home and I'm gonna see the toilet for the first time.
What do you think,
Whoa!
Sky?
Now we gotta do the test flush.
It works. What do you think?
It's a house toilet.
All right, Sandy, what do you got going over here?
Well, I'm gonna make some soup because it's like 20 degrees outside and I feel like soup is very fitting.
And Ryder, what are you having for dinner over here?
You don't wanna know.
Marshmallows. All right, a Christmas tradition that we have is we put our Christmas tree right here where the driver's seat is. So we undo the 4 bolts on the bottom. I already did that. We got the bolts right here. And then, you guys ready for the magic to happen?
Oh my goodness.
Am I clear? All right, there we go. Now we got room for a Christmas tree.
And where do you put the seat?
Well, usually we run it to our storage unit down the street and keep it in there for a couple
Or
weeks.
just sit on it for the whole
Or we just leave it in
Or
here
the
and sit
kids
on
like
it
to use it
everywhere.
as like a gamer chair on the floor.
There you go. Here's your gamer chair, kids. Have fun.
Yep, that's pretty much it. They fight over that chair.
All right, let's bring the tree in. All right, how's it going so far?
I think it's going pretty good. It's super colorful.
What's
so,
the kids at? What are you guys doing over
the
there?
kids
Eating.
are
You're supposed to be helping
eating.
out. When I was a kid, I always helped decorate. Get over here. What's your favorite thing about Christmas?
Getting presents.
Oh, yeah?
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're
What
back.
do you guys got here?
All right, so we got some sourdough bread.
Delicious.
And no, we didn't make it.
We kind of cheated. We got it at Costco. It was already made. Just put it in the oven.
There you go.
Hey, that works for me though.
Nothing like cold weather and warm sourdough
Oh,
bread.
and we just had some vegetable soup.
No, I should have
I
waited.
know, we should have waited.
How's the decorating going?
Oh, it's going so good.
All right, how's the decorating going?
Hi, guys.
Tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt
Today we are officially homeless.
Thank God it was only for a few hours. It was cold out there, so we didn't want to be stranded.
But it feels so good to be back in our home. We got all of our Christmas decorations up. It feels like a wonderful
feels so
holiday
cozy.
season is among us. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope that you have a wonderful holiday season. Spend a lot of time with your family.
Lots of love from ours to yours.
And real quick, Nixon, what are you looking forward to this holiday season? Like what?
Giving and getting gifts.
All right,
Aw.
Ryan, what about you? Ryder's being a little Grinch today, but I'm looking forward to spending time with our families and making unique memories and just hanging out a lot. We're getting ready to watch National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It's one of our traditions.
Sky,
And,
what are you looking forward
we
to?
got a lot of traditions that we do every year.
I'm looking forward to getting so many presents.
Yay, the presents!
I'm looking forward to doing all the stuff that's on our bucket list to create lots and lots of family memories.
All right, guys, whatever you do, get out there and
Try something new! Woo!
Cousin Eddie.